welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing my rear shocks. Yeah, these things are a bitch. So first thing you gotta do is take out all your stuff in here. Take out this little strip here, and then you're gonna have a 10mm bolt here. This little plastic piece just slides off like that, and then a screw point here, which that's already loose, you can tell. And this whole piece folds forward. And then you'll have your shock here, a little top hat. You got 2 strut bolts here and then 1 strut bolt on the other side. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to leave the top mount bolted to the car and release the spring tension while it's still connected. I did the other side yesterday, and even with spring compressors I couldn't get it to correctly compress so I can put the top hat back on. So yeah, anyway, I'll just show you guys instead of explaining it, so let's get to it. Alright, 10mm plug, screw, this piece. After that, this should just come on out. Snaps a couple places. Now, if you want to take everything out, you can. Fold it over like this. Like so. The top mount there. The other side didn't have this cover on it. I wonder if I can just pop it off. Yep. That also is a 17mm. Okay, with that, I just loosened the spring tension. Now, my shocks can move. So I'm going to loosen this bolt here, which is a 19mm. Pry down on this, and then pop the shock out. And just like that, you now have decompressed your spring. I'm not sure if that'll work on stock springs. With these lowering springs, it works perfect. So yeah, I'm going to switch the shock around and then we'll reinstall it. So I'll get back with you. Alright, so once we get the shock bolt back in, 19mm right there, it's fed up. Then you take the jack up your whole assembly, right? Come into here, this little piece here. See, the shock has gone through. So you put this little piece down into here like this. It might fight you a little bit, but that's fine. Put you guys down so I can use your hands. That, and you take this little cup washer here like so, and you take the nut and you put the nut on. Alright, so if you run into that problem to where it won't tighten the whole socket, and then you gotta come back and find some Allen keys like so. There's an Allen up top that this just slides into. See how I'm spinning it? So then you take a 17mm wrench and you tighten it by hand. And like that, it is tight. So after that, you can put your control arm back up, lower this back down, so you can set your sway bar length. Like so. Put your sway bar bolt back on and your upper control arm bolt back on. Tighten it all down and you're done. Like that, simple. That took me what? 25-30 minutes total, maybe. So an hour for both sides. I think that's way easier than using a spring compressor and all that other stuff. But yeah, so another little update. I got a new front grille that came in the mail today. I like it. I got the bottom one to match, but I haven't put it in yet. I want to see what the front one, the top one look like. So yeah, I did that. I'm gonna put a light bar right here inside. See how that looks. See if it actually works correctly. Hiding behind the grill. But yeah, other than that, I'm out. You guys have a good day. See you in the next one.
Space machine. Wow.